Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Ranger suspension. Before diving into the mechanics, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands, not just a jack. Wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from potential hazards. A clear, well-lit workspace prevents accidents, and having all your tools ready saves time and frustration. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's tackle the front suspension. Begin by safely removing the front wheels and detaching any brake line brackets to allow for movement. Next, you'll need to unbolt the connections for both the upper and lower control arms. With those free, carefully remove the entire shock absorber and coil spring assembly. Take a moment to inspect all these parts for any signs of wear or damage before you put new ones back in. Moving to the rear, the process involves supporting the axle. First, use a jack to support the rear axle, taking the load off the suspension. Then, you'll unbolt the U-bolts that secure the leaf springs to the axle housing. After that, remove the rear shock absorbers and the leaf spring shackles. It's a good idea to pay close attention to how everything comes apart, especially the orientation of the leaf springs, for easier reassembly. With the old parts out, it's time for installation. Reassemble your new suspension components in the exact reverse order of removal. This is crucial for proper function. Make sure to torque all bolts to the manufacturer's specified settings. This prevents loosening and ensures safety. After everything is installed, a professional alignment is highly recommended. Finally, take your Ford Ranger for a test drive to confirm excellent handling and a comfortable ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.